The Ultrasona is an ultra-portable device that uses ultrasound technology to clean almost anything in ways never before possible. We built the Ultrasona for travelers cleaning on the go without breaking the bank, moms and dads trying to clean for those who can't clean for themselves, and for those just looking for a better way to clean clothing, fruits, veggies, jewelry, and hundreds of other things. At 50,000 ultrasonic vibrations per second, you can actually see the dirt lifting off the clothes, jewelry, food, and more. The Ultrasona cleans deeper, more thoroughly, and more effectively than anything else in your house. Here's how it works. Ultrasona generates microscopic ultrasonic sound waves that create high-pressure bubbles in the water that collapse and dislodge contaminants from surfaces at the microscopic level. That's right, it literally uses sound waves to eliminate dirt, grime, oil, and bacteria from virtually anything. The waves are powerful enough to break through this tin foil. But it's gentle enough to clean delicates and lingerie that can't go in the washer. Ultrasona is actually gentler than hand washing. All you have to do is put Ultrasona in water and plug it in. It's that easy. Ultrasona brightens linens and cleans stains in minutes. It's safe to use with satin, lace, and other delicate materials. With such concentrated power, Ultrasona cleans fast and deep. Ultrasona is the perfect cleaning tool for families. It can clean baby products, toys, and bed sheets in seconds. Clean scuffs and stains, and restore a brilliant shine to jewelry. Clean makeup off brushes and pads. Lift hard-to-clean grease off tools, and easily clean paintbrushes. It can also clean your razor and other personal hygiene items. Put Ultrasona into the sink after a meal and relax while it does all the work. Clean fresh fruits and vegetables and eliminate harmful pesticides and other contaminants in seconds. Sterilize the items most vulnerable to bacteria and protect those most vulnerable to microscopic dangers. Enjoy a cleaner home and a healthy family with Ultrasona. Simple presettings for jewelry, dishes, clothing, and food means you can plug and clean with a simple touch in seconds. Designed as a travel-friendly cleaner, Ultrasona is compact and lightweight enough for a day trip or extended vacation. It easily fits in purses, backpacks, or travel bags. Tired of loud washers? Ultrasona is almost completely silent, so you can wash without waking up the whole house. Not only is Ultrasona super quiet and super effective, it's also environmentally friendly. Until now, we've relied on conventional washing machines, dishwashers, and chemicals to do our cleaning. These outdated methods are expensive and waste massive amounts of water. Every year, water wastage contributes to disease and scarcity all over the world. It has also led to the tapping of irreplaceable groundwater supplies and permanent damage to the planet. The average household uses 36,000 gallons of water annually, 40% of which generated by your dishwasher and washing machine. Not only does Ultrasona use 40 times less water than washing machines, it also requires 15 times less energy to run, and it doesn't need hot water, one of the main carbon producers in homes. Ultrasona can reduce your water waste by thousands of gallons and carbon footprint by hundreds of pounds per year. Clean better, smarter, greener, and faster with Ultrasona. It's the best way to clean just about anything.